What's going on, Teach Me to Fish Effects Trade community? This is Benny Childs, the founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational video. I thought this would be a perfect time to go live and to share with you guys while my trade was in profit, okay, or a couple of trades now. Let's see. So, just to give you guys just a basis of what we have here. We started out yesterday entering into a trade with a $2 investment on the GBP CAD. All right, we got in not right at the start of this move. We're about maybe 3/4 of the way, based upon my assumption of where this pair is going and the potential that it has to go before we get a major pullback. And so yeah, like I said, we're about 3/4 of the way, so we don't expect much, but nonetheless, we again started the account or started the trade with a $2 investment. All right, I jumped in with a additional $1 investment, which is currently about 3 pips deficit as I speak. In the first trade, we're up about 61 pips right now. We're getting a little bit of a retracement. If we drop down to the lower time frame, you can kind of get a better look at what's going on the 15-minute chart, and then if we drop down on the 5-minute chart as well, we can just kind of get a look at what's going on. So I think when we first started this live session, I think we were at 113 or 101. So the pair is just retracing right now. So I do have stop losses in place for this trade, just because of the volatility right now, and it's a smaller account, and I really want to show you guys the growth of the account, and at the same time be transparent and let you guys also see and witness the deficits that you're going to have when trading Forex, as well as the losses that you're going to have. So yeah, that's kind of where we are right now, and we are trading this based on our workflow trading method and system. Okay, if you guys don't know, this system will allow you to, or our trading method, our trading knowledge, our knowledge of the market, as I always say, market structure, market cycle, and market manipulation. This is going to allow you to be able to scalp. You can do, you can swing trade. You can mix them, together. That's typically what I do. Mix them together. I really love trading off of the 4-hour. All right, and even if we step back on this trade, whenever you're trading the system, I tell you guys all the time to make it really easy. You can trade from exhaustion square to exhaustion square. So even back here on the daily, all right, we have a buy exhaustion square here, all right, because it's at the lower portion of the it's at the lower portion of the chart. All right, and so if we were here on the daily, we would have gotten our signal to get in here, and so before it started retracing, let's see, we would have been looking at a potential profit target of 680 pips, a little over 680 pips. However, if we would have held on to that trade to the exhaustion point, we still have not gotten the exhaustion point, and if we look down at the TDI, we still have some room before that exhaustion point comes up. But if we would have been holding this trade back here from March 27th, then we would have been maybe about 9 pips in profit. But again, if you would have gotten in on that based on our rules, you could have, potentially gotten, six, let's say 680 plus pips. But we didn't trade this off of the daily. We traded this off of a lower time frame, the 1 hour time frame to be exact. After some analysis, and again, just exercising our knowledge of market structure, cycle, and manipulation, I got into the trade Sunday. Yeah, Sunday when the market opened. I found, was that Sunday? I think that was Sunday the 8th. So yeah, it was Sunday. You guys, if you know how MetaTrader 4 works, oftentimes those Sunday trades, uh, they'll reflect Monday's date and time. But I did get in on Sunday on this trade, so we still have room. We have room to grow on the 1 hour. We have room on the 4 hour, on the daily, to grow. Let me maximize this for you guys now. And based on what you trade, as far as the time frame, then of course you're going to want to adjust the indicators that we have, just to kind of clean things up a little bit, for you. As confluences, we use supply and demand. We use quarter points. Okay. We use the TDI, all right, for confirmation. So until you're able to develop your eye for raw, naked, price action, market structure, market cycle, market manipulation, then that's what these indicators are here for. However, this is something else that I'm trying out here. Let me show you guys here. Let me just switch over to a blank chart. All right. So for me, what I like to do is I like to have I like to display my price points. All right. Okay. I love to display my price points and simply trade from here. All right. And it can be done. The training that's provided, the strategies and training that is provided um, inside the Teach Me to Fish to Effects trading community, you will be able to trade using this. However, until you develop your eye, all right, and even yet, sometimes I still refer back to this. You can use these. We have our color changing candles. All right. I just implemented this color changing EMA right here. You guys can see where it's green. It goes yellow for a neutral point. Okay, and then it goes red. All right. And so let me show you guys this. I think may have placed it backwards. Here we go. All right. And so green is for the green is for when the market is in a buying conditions. All right, where the conditions are favorable for buying, and then the red is for when the conditions are favorable for selling. All right, and so we have that color changing EMA for you. We have the color changing candles for you guys. We have the exhaustion squares. All right, and then we have the TDI, this TDI Pro here, that provides divergence for us. It provides its own exhaustion arrows, So we have, a number of confluences, and then we've updated this to we've updated the HUD that we use, or we now use an updated HUD, heads up display. That gives us, just various information. All right, our ask price, bid price, the spread of the pair, where the high of the day and low of the day are, how many pips the current price is from that. We have today's daily range, yesterday's daily range, the week's ADR, all right, which is the average daily range, over the week, the month's ADR, all right, so on and so forth. Yeah, we just a number of things again, just to help you to be able to manage your trade and know where you are, before you enter into the trade as well. So, and we also have the dynamic. I call them dynamic, um, or dynamic slash retail supply and demand areas. But of course, we teach you accumulation and distribution, and how to properly follow that, as well, and how to use it to manage your trades, as well. So, yeah, and so, again, we have these things, we have the knowledge. If you guys actually head over to the teachmetofishfx.com, you guys can actually see where I'm kind of updating the visual appeal of the website. So when you join the mentoring community, we're gonna do a dashboard type feel. We have we'll have a dashboard setting, where you guys can see, where the pairs that I'm looking at, and the Teach Me to Fish Effects analysts are looking at, to be the more favorable trades for you. We'll also have a trading room where you guys can actually log in together, and we can chat and post our trades and our analysis and our trade types, just to help one another out. We have, of course, the training section, for you guys, that is, constantly being updated. Um, you'll also have access to the weekly forecast. There, what else do we have? We have. That's pretty much it for right now. And now that is totally separate from the new project that I'm working together to, for all traders, who, you may not want to be, you may not need the mentorship, but you want to. Uh, well, I can't give too much away. I can't give too much away for it, but it's definitely going to help us out. But yeah, guys, just really, it's really important that, while we're trading, um, you really want to exercise patience. You really want to exercise discipline. Um, and of course, for a lot of you guys, I'm preaching to the choir, and I know it's easier said than done. That's why this account was once at $700, and the current equity is 544. But right now, we will walk away with, yeah, if we close all the trades, it'd be 544, and that's because. Exercising patience, exercising discipline is easier said than done. And guys, I'm just one of those. I'm just one of those upfront and real mentors, not only here on YouTube but in life. I'm just an everyday person, just like you guys, who I have to conquer those things as well. So that's why I'm doing this public account for you, for you guys. So you guys out there, you may not have a lot of money to invest in Forex, but I want to show you that it can be done. All right, it definitely can be done. We started this account from around $100, well, maybe a little more than $100. So it wasn't a lot. And again, we're currently we were at $700, so we grew that 100 to 700. Took a couple of losses, all right, and so this is where we are. But again, I just want to be inspiration to you guys as well. Hey, what's going on, Good Life? And it's good to see you. Um, Good to see you. Good to see you. Get to know you there. So, um, yeah, and this is just a part of it, guys. For me, I'm always trying to catch those runners. I'm always um, comparing the higher time frames uh, to my trades, my scalping trades, my intraday trades, and so we do our best to get as much as we can. We don't want to be greedy, but you want to be able to get as much as you can of out of the market, because I guarantee you that they're trying to get as much as they can out of you. So we're just allowing for the market to do its thing, the market to fluctuate, and so we combat that with proper account risk management. This particular trade, I got in at about half of 1%. So, and I do it based off the 100th place. All right, and so so that's why we got in at this trade at $2. All right, so I typically do that whenever I know that, hey, I may only be holding this trade for a couple of days, like on the lower time frames, where I'm looking to get out on a lower time frame. However, if I'm trading on the daily, or what I recommend, if you're trading like on the daily and the weekly and the monthly, then you want to look into doing like the 1,000 pip rule. So for every $100, you trade at 10 cents. So $100, you trade at 10 cents. 200, you trade at 20 cents. 300, you trade at 30 cents, so on and so forth. All right, and it's just going to help you with your account risk management. Don't go in don't go in just trying to conquer the whole world of forex in one trade. You just you don't want to do that, because one misanalysis, one wrong analysis will wipe you out, and have you questioning some things, and have you thinking about doing some things. And so we want everyone to be in a good mental health. Okay, we want everyone to be in a good mental health. So why not practice proper account risk management, and just take your time. Just take your time. So yeah, I just want to again come with the update. You see how the market fluctuates. All right, you see how the market fluctuates. So again, we started the video at about 100 plus. With the trade, it fluctuated all the way down. I think we were in the 50s. Right now we're in the 80s. So profit range. So that comes with trading. All right, that comes with trading, especially if you're trying to hold your trades. You can't be so quick to, oh, let me jump out. But just giving it room to breathe. All right, just giving your trade room to breathe. Okay. um, Good Life says he's in a GJ on sale. A sell on GJ, I can't get it out, but if I'm not mistaken, I think you trade the 30-minute. Uh, yeah, I see you. You catching that quick scalp down there. Good stuff. Yeah, catching a good, nice quick scalp. Uh, yeah, though we can't kill. Don't try to kill it in one trade. Don't try to kill it Definitely can't kill it and try to kill it in one trade. We will have those opportunities. All right, you will have those opportunities where your analysis is spot on. You get to your terminal, at the right time. You enter in at the right time. Your account is the right size, and you put in the right um, trade amount. And you kill it. Like whoever has been trading gold from way back when, just buying gold, from way back when. Right now we're kind of getting, it seems to be, a little bit of a reversal pattern here. We kind of see, a little head and shoulders here, but we'll see how long that lasts. It could just be, just a basic little pullback, but we'll see. All right, we'll see. We'll see. So, let's see, where are we here? Yeah. So again, guys, I just wanted to come and share an update with you guys. Let you guys know that we're still moving, in this trade, and so it's pushing up for us. All right, it's at 92. I think the FOMC. Let me check that again. I think that's supposed to come out today. I'm in GBP CAD, so it's not a US pair, but the CAD pairs are usually affected, if not a lot, a little bit by the US pair. So pair news. So let me see here. Let me just recheck that really quickly. I don't have my share screen on, so let me see. FOMC, that's tomorrow. FOMC is tomorrow at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. So let's see, but we do. Let's see, at 9 o'clock, am I logged in? Yeah, I'm logged in. So at 9 o'clock, which is now, we should have already had the jolts. And I'm talking high impact news. Yeah, so we have the jolts coming out. We should be getting results for that. My time is off for some reason. Anyway, so yeah, so we'll, that could have been what that was. As far as that, the little bit of pullback on GBP CAD. So it's kind of where we are, guys. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here right now. We're back at what, 92, 97, 93, $93. One trade, we're about 64 pips in profit. The other trade right now, it's fluctuating. It's trying to get its footing. GBP CAD is trying to push up a little bit past yesterday's high. Again, I believe that we definitely have room for this to grow. I'm going to be checking this on the higher time frames, all right, because again, let me see, the weekly not so much, but the daily, going based off of the daily, we definitely have room to grow. So sorry about that. We definitely have room for the trade to to push a little higher for us. So we'll definitely be seeing if we can scale into these higher time frames as the trade progresses. So all right, guys, that is going to be it for me right now. Guys, listen, remember what we're doing. All right, you guys help me get to 500 subscribers, which is phenomenal. And so I told you guys, at 500 subscribers, we'll be doing $25 giveaways for every 100 subscribers. And so listen, we're only about 19 subs away from 600, which means the 600 subs $25 giveaway is right around the corner. All right, make sure you enter into the chance to win. All right, And so you can simply do that by subscribing to the channel and commenting your cash tag on any video, but especially on the I got what the sub celebration videos. All right, you definitely want to especially join us whenever we celebrate our 100 subs. So yeah. So again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. All right, we're here and we're growing because you guys are, and I really appreciate you. And again, if you're looking for mentorship, if you're looking to learn the key components of trading Forex, if you're looking to start investing, then head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up on any one of the very affordable memberships. Keep an eye out for the new project to drop, which again I think is going to benefit all traders from every walk of life. All right, and so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. So listen, always remember, always remember, always remember. If you stay in God, you will stay in control. 25 to 500. Not sure what you mean by that. Like, I think you may be talking about the subs, but yeah. So for every 100 subs, for every 100 subs, for every 100 subs, we're gonna be doing a $25 giveaway. All right, free $25 in your pocket. So every once we get to 600, $25 giveaway. 700, $25 giveaway. 800, $25 giveaway. So on and so forth. All right, and once we get this channel, uh, oh, awesome, man. Yes, yes. I know you can do it, man. You again, good life. I know you can flip that 25 to 500. I definitely know and believe you can. I watch your trades on Instagram, and you again, you have a good footing, a good hold, and yeah, I know you can. I know you'll be able to. So, all right, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Until next time, please remember: if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing.